Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically use graphs on CapCut PC. So for the example, I'm just going to use this here, and I'm just going to add in a keyframe here and maybe zoom in and move the position here. Right click and then select show variable speed animation. Select the second keyframe wherever you want the motion to be. I'll do it on scale. Hold on. Select the preset curves, and you're going to select whichever one you think suits the video the best. I'm gonna use this one. You can just use any of them that you like. You can also kind of adjust it here a little bit. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.